Put a whole rotisserie chicken up in there. Treat the dogs good. Eat good 1 day out of the week. Good like this. If you were in Harlem, then you remember when this group came to 106 and Park. It shut down the block. It shut down the whole area. The girls were outside screaming. They know what to do. And we're going to give it to y'all right now. And they happen to be from LA. Who's going to get to them now? B2K! For more videos and tips about dogs, go to my playlist, Dog Health. My playlist, Dog Health. It's free. You like a video, hit the like button. Share with your friends and family. It's all free. You be helping me, and I will continue helping you.